Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm replacing in my E30 front seats. I got the standard seats, so I'm gonna replace them with sport seats, which are really rare nowadays and hard to find. I purchased those seats on eBay. I was looking for them for quite some time, as nowadays they are quite hard to find, but finally I had an opportunity to buy a nice set. The pattern is not matching mine, but that's not a big issue as my back seat is damaged, so I have to find in the same pattern, but back bench is not really hard to find. The only issue with those seats is a little cut here. I think it's mainly because they were in a storage for quite some times. I think at least 20 years in the storage. That's why they are in really good condition. They got no wear. The only issue is this cut, and the back panels, they got some damage, but otherwise the seats are in perfect condition. Now, can you see the difference? Now I'm gonna use the vacuum to clean this stuff. Let's find out how it looks like now. There is a huge difference now. The interior looks amazing now. I've also purchased a set of brand new carpet floor mats. They are not genuine, but they are for the E30 Coupe. The shape is for the E30 Coupe. So that's it in today's video. If you like this video, be sure to leave the thumb up and also to subscribe my channel, as more videos will be coming soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.